Learn English to Gujarati statistics words, dependence to
Variance.
Welcome, brave data explorer. Today you are not just learning words. You are entering the dramatic soap opera of statistics, where numbers flirt, graphs overreact, and one variable always blames another. Your mission is simple. Learn 8 English words and their Gujarati partners. Ready? Here they come. Dependence is
आश्रितता.
interdependence is
परस्पर निर्भरता.
interaction is
पारस्परिक क्रिया.
causality is
कार्यकारण भाव.
correlation is
सहसंबंध.
confounding is
कन्फंडिंग.
bias is
पूर्वग्रह.
variance is.
वेरिएंस.
If that felt like a parade of serious words, do not worry. We are about to make them much less scary and slightly more ridiculous. Meet the suspiciously emotional words. Let's meet the cast like it is a reality show. Yes, even causality has trust issues. Dependence means relying on someone or something. In Gujarati, that is
आश्रितता.
imagine a pencil saying, I cannot do anything without my sharpener. Very dramatic. Very.
आश्रितता.
Interdependence means both sides rely on each other. In Gujarati,
परस्पर निर्भरता.
think of tea and biscuits. One says, I am fine alone, but we all know that is a lie. Interaction is when things affect each other. In Gujarati,
पारस्परिक क्रिया.
2 chemicals meet, 2 people talk, 2 cats stare at each other like tiny philosophers. That is
पारस्परिक क्रिया.
causality is the cause-effect link. In Gujarati,
कार्यकारण भाव.
you press a switch, the light turns on. That is not magic. That is
कार्यकारण भाव.
correlation means 2 things move together, but one may not cause the other. In Gujarati,
सहसंबंध.
ice cream sales and beach visits both rise in summer. Ice cream did not personally invite everyone to the beach. Confounding is
कन्फंडिंग.
it means confusing or puzzling. It is the word for charts that look easy until your brain quietly leaves the room. Bias is
पूर्वग्रह.
it is unfair prejudgment. Imagine a referee who says, I am neutral, while wearing a jersey from one team. Variance is
वेरिएंस.
it measures how spread out values are. If exam scores are all similar, low.
वेरिएंस.
If the scores are all over the place like chickens in a library, high.
वेरिएंस.
A tiny story with giant academic feelings. Now listen to a short story. Your job is to enjoy it and secretly absorb vocabulary like a linguistic sponge. Professor Mango entered the classroom with a graph, 3 markers, and the confidence of a person who had definitely forgotten his lunch. Class, he said, today we study why your homework results are so weird. First, he pointed to one student who copied every method from a friend. This, he announced, is
आश्रितता.
dependence. Then he pointed to a group project where every student needed the others to finish. This is
परस्पर निर्भरता.
interdependence. Next, 2 variables on the board seemed to influence each other. That is
पारस्परिक क्रिया.
interaction. A student asked, so if one thing changes and then another changes, is that always
कार्यकारण भाव.
causality? Professor Mango gasped like someone had just insulted statistics. No, sometimes it is only
सहसंबंध.
correlation. Then he showed a confusing chart with extra hidden factors. The whole class blinked. One student whispered, this is deeply
कन्फंडिंग.
exactly, said the professor, and maybe there is also
पूर्वग्रह.
bias in how the data was collected. Finally, he pointed at scores scattered everywhere across the graph. And this glorious chaos, he said, is
वेरिएंस.
The class nodded slowly, the way people do when they understand 70% and hope their face looks smarter than their brain feels. Useful contrasts you really want. This part helps you avoid classic mistakes. Because nothing says confidence like not mixing up correlation and causality at a party. Dependence
आश्रितता.
is one-sided reliance. Interdependence
परस्पर निर्भरता,
is mutual reliance. Interaction
पारस्परिक क्रिया,
is broad. It means things affect each other. Causality
कार्यकारण भाव,
is more specific. One thing causes another. Correlation
सहसंबंध,
means two things vary together. It does not automatically prove.
कार्यकारण भाव,
Confounding
कन्फंडिंग,
can describe something puzzling, and in analysis it can refer to a confusing extra factor that muddies interpretation. Bias
पूर्वग्रह,
bends judgment. Variance
वेरिएंस,
measures spread. One lives in thinking, the other lives in statistics. If you accuse variance of being unfair, the graph may file a complaint. Mini dialogues for your ears. Repeat these after me if you want. Or just nod wisely like a multilingual scientist in a documentary. A. Why can he not work alone? B. Because of.
आश्रितता,
A. Why does the team succeed so well? B. Because of.
परस्पर निर्भरता,
A. Why did the result change when both variables were present? B. Because of.
पारस्परिक क्रिया,
A. Why did the glass break? B. Think about.
कार्यकारण भाव,
The ball hit it first. A. These two values rise together. What is that? B.
सहसंबंध,
A. Why do you look confused? B. This chart is.
कन्फंडिंग,
A. Why was the decision unfair? B. Because of.
पूर्वग्रह,
A. What shows how spread out the scores are? B.
वेरिएंस,
Quick memory drill. Let's do a fast audio drill. Listen, pause, answer, then check. No pressure. Only your future genius is watching. Dependence in Gujarati is.
आश्रितता,
Interdependence in Gujarati is.
परस्पर निर्भरता,
Interaction in Gujarati is.
पारस्परिक क्रिया,
Causality in Gujarati is.
कार्यकारण भाव,
Correlation in Gujarati is.
सहसंबंध,
Confounding in Gujarati is.
कन्फंडिंग,
Bias in Gujarati is.
पूर्वग्रह,
Variance in Gujarati is.
वेरिएंस,
Challenge round. Now you do the thinking. Very rude of me, I know. But you are ready. If two countries need each other for trade, that is.
परस्पर निर्भरता,
If a child relies too much on parents, that is.
आश्रितता,
If two chemicals affect each other, that is.
पारस्परिक क्रिया,
If one event clearly causes another, that is.
कार्यकारण भाव,
If two trends rise together but may not be cause and effect, that is.
सहसंबंध,
If the explanation is puzzling and mentally messy, that is.
कन्फंडिंग,
If judgment is unfairly tilted, that is.
पूर्वग्रह,
If data points are widely spread out, that is.
वेरिएंस,
Friendly conclusion. You made it through abstract vocabulary without running away from the graph. That is already a victory. Today you learned dependence,
आश्रितता,
interdependence,
परस्पर निर्भरता,
interaction,
पारस्परिक क्रिया,
causality,
कार्यकारण भाव,
correlation,
सहसंबंध,
confounding,
कन्फंडिंग,
bias,
पूर्वग्रह,
and variance.
वेरिएंस.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the Gujarati words again tomorrow, and do not worry if they feel big today. Big words become friendly when you visit them often. See you in the next chapter.